bee family, welcome back to another vlog. And today I have a crisis, a seriously big crisis. I have a failing colony in my bee yard due to my own, I don't know how this happened, but it was crazy. And I'm going to show you guys, I'm going to take you guys on the whole process today of how you save a failing colony. So this is not just a colony failing because of disease or something. The colony is literally failing. They're being attacked by ants. If I do not do something right now, they will either swarm, which means complete death. Ants are getting heads up on them. The colony is maybe the size smaller than my hand, and they were doing so well 2 weeks ago. I messed up and that actually landed them into some big doo-doo. But I'm going to take you guys along today and show you how I fix up this colony and get these ladies up and running, because not even feeding them right now is going to save them. Guys, so we are here at the apiary. I'm gonna quickly show you guys how you save a failing colony. So one of the things that you are going to need is you're going to need a box with a feeding hole. This is just a 5-frame nuke that I built myself. So it's got 5 frames inside. The reason why I'm rehousing the bees is because of the ants that was attacking them. So they are away from the area where the ants are. So that's step number 1, is identify all the threats that they have around them. Now we're going to house them into a different box, and I am then going to go on to giving them a large amount of feed, and then I will go on to decanting some extra bees in it. But I will show you guys the colony that is failing now, and I'll show you guys what I'm going to do step by step to actually recover them, because they are part of my breeding stock, so I don't really want to lose that queen. So let's get into the apiary. Let's go and open some bee boxes. So as you guys can see, there's literally only 2 frames of bees. Okay guys, so the colony that is failing is this one down here. Let me show you guys there. Those are the bees that are not looking too good inside. And let me go show you guys what the mess up was. So what happened, guys, was the lid didn't close properly. So if you have a look on this side, you'll see the lid didn't close properly. It left the small little piece there, and that is what caused the problem for the bees.
Losing almost all my energy. It's getting hard to talk to you, and I'm the only one who speaks. It's all the things you never show. There are the things I want to know. Secrets start in your heart so slow. But if you don't want to tell me now, I can't.
Now guys, I am not going to be keeping this comb, because you can see right here it's not a too good comb. So I'm going to take this away, and I'm going to give them a brand new foundation for them to draw out, because I don't like this comb looking like this. Okay, so they got an entrance here, nice little entrance, and we're going to put the feeder right there.
I can't stay if you can't let it go. I never really know what's going.
Okay guys, so one of the things that I noticed with my new frame. So the issue was the new frames that I had gotten. It looks like this top piece is a little bit too big. So let me go show you guys what I mean, why it doesn't work with this box. All the other boxes were measured on this frame, but my catch box I bought a while back, and now I see that there's an issue, but I think the issue is actually this. So let me show you guys. So in my box I have these, like, it's almost like holders, frame holders that I put in here, and it seems that the frame holder and these frames are a bit thicker. So what happens is you don't have like a flush here, and it's not really flush right here, which means when you put the lid on, there's a small minute space here, and this allows for the ants and the weather to get inside this box really badly. I mean, I'm gonna have to clean out this whole box. Just have a look at this. This box is looking horrific inside, but the ladies are now in the new one here, so let's go get them some sugar water. Guys, so there they are in their new box. What's my final thoughts, guys? What you need to do when you have a colony that is failing. Now, I know this is part of my breeding stock, so that's why I am very particular on these bees. And the reason why they failed, obviously, as you guys saw, wasn't the fact that they were not strong enough. It wasn't the fact that they didn't build up enough or that they don't winter well over the winter. It was the fact that the box and the frames didn't fit in properly. I need to get that box sorted. Last week we had a frost of about -5 to -6 in Joburg, which meant that these bees, literally the fact that they are still alive, having their entire box at the top open, where the cold weather came in, where the icy cold showers came in, the water came in, tells me that this is really a very strong colony. And I want to give them the best fighting chance. So that's why I have now rehoused them. They're out in my apiary. Tomorrow I'm going to come back and just have a look at them and make sure that they are going good. I didn't see too many eggs. I did see the queen. I apologize. I didn't bring my stand with, so I couldn't show you guys her. Beautiful queen. She's got beautiful black and yellow stripes on her. She's a striped queen. She's not fully like brown like the others. Nice and big, beautiful lady. Absolutely love her. Very calm. I worked with these bees without a single smoker, guys. I don't have anybody in front of my veil. I literally rehoused these bees. I don't have any bees in my veil. That's why I breed with them, because they're amazing set of bees. This is actually not sugar water, this is honey. So what I do is I take some of the honey that I get from my bees, and I will actually make like a syrup for them that I feed to them. But I only do that on top feeders. Do not do front feeders. That they will fight, especially when there's honey. Bees will fight, and I don't like the fighting. I will come back tomorrow if I do see they are still struggling, there's still some issues. I'll come and put on their waste gate. So for you guys that don't know, I'll show you guys now what a waste gate or a front gate looks like, and then I will come and just take some of the bees, maybe one frame of nursing bees, just pop them in there. This bee around me is from my angry hive. They are getting a new queen when the new ones are made. And then tomorrow I will be expanding into these 2 boxes. I will be doing a split, 2 splits for a customer. So here is one of my brood factories. This is a brood factory. That is my grafting colony. And then over on that side, so here is another brood factory. This one here, this orange hive here. I will be pulling some frames from them tomorrow if those people need, but this is another brood factory. And that's also another brood factory that I'm almost done setting up. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4 brood factories. I mean, to give you guys an idea, my brood factories, I can pull 10 frames, maybe even 12 frames out of each one of these boxes, and it will not influence my hives at all. They're not even my face. I've got none in my veil, and I forgot my burner at home, so I couldn't even light my smoker. Those bees were not smoked, guys. I did not smoke those bees. So they are really a lovely calm set of bees, and that's why I graft from that queen, is because whenever I open up a hive, they're not aggressive. Even if I do open up that hive now without smoke, they will not attack me. But the hive next to them, they are angry. very angry ladies. I want to requeen them because they are excessively aggro. Alright guys, so to give you guys an intro, this is bees that I removed from water meter in Randburg. This is another colony that I took out. Can't remember exactly where. This was a colony this is the very first colony I ever did a bee removal on. It was close to my home. These bees are very productive. Just have a look there. This is a split that I did off that hive there. I did a split here, and then this is my sweethearts. These are the first bees. These are the bees that made me a beekeeper. You can see they're already buzzing around me. They are not as cozy as the rest, but nonetheless I love them so much. These are my lovely ladies. I will never get rid of them. They are the first hive. This is the hive that made me a beekeeper, so they really mean a lot to me. Do you guys enjoy the beekeeping?